Hey, what's up guys, Aravind from Mr. Aravind Tech. So if you want to make any of your post as private means, just go to Instagram and select the post that you want to make it private and click the three dot icon up there and just select archive. So now your post have been privated. So you can check here on your profile, the post is not visible. If you want to get back that post, if you want to see the private post list, just click this three dash icon here and click on archive. Now select post on it. So here is the private post. So this post is not shown to anybody, only you can able to see this post. If you want to make it again public means, so just click this post and select the three dot icon and click public to everyone. So now your post become public. So that's our video. Hope this video is informative to you. Got questions, ask them in comments, I will reply for you. Like, share and subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon to get notified. Okay guys, I will catch you in another exciting video. And then signing off from Mr. Aravind.